In this video, you will see super easy method to remove first line indent in Word document. To remove the first line indent in Word document, you need to right click on the paragraph and go to the paragraph option. Make sure you have clicked on the indent and spacing option. Next to the indentation here, under the special, you need to select the option none, and you can see the preview here that the indentation is gone, and then click on OK. If you have multiple paragraphs, then you will need to select multiple paragraphs and then right click, go to the paragraph and then select the option none next to the indentation special and then click on OK to remove first line indent in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about indents in Word. See you again in the next one.